We're trying to figure out how many ways, how many possible selections of 5 books contain at least one paperback and at least one hardback. So this is a combination problem. It's not a permutation. So let's figure out, let's do the formula first. The formula for combination is n choose r. And what that formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. And this n is the total number, and this r is how many you're choosing. So let's figure out first how many ways we can choose 5 books out of 10 books. So that's 10, choose 5. So then a factorial, by the way, 10 factorial over 5 factorial times 10 minus 5 factorial is 5 factorial. 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, all the way down to 1. But watch what I want to do here. I want to go 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. I'm stopping at 5 factorial. I always stop at the greatest factorial I have in the denominator so I can cancel. It so happens both of them in the denominator are the same thing. So I've got a 5 factorial, and then let's expand 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. I'm not going to write the 1 because it doesn't matter. So then these 5 factorials cancel. Look here. 2 times 5 is 10, so that cancels. And then 4 we're going to 8 twice. And 3 we're going to 9 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. That's going to be 252. But guys, we chose 5 books, and we want to make sure we have at least one hardback, at least one paperback. In this count of 252 is hard. All of them being hard. We only have 4 paperbacks. So if you had 4 paperbacks, you still had to have at least one hard. But I need to subtract off how many ways I can do that. And I have 6 hardbacks. Choose how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that value? That's 6 factorial over 5 factorial times 6 minus 5 factorial, 1 factorial. That's 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial times 1 factorial. And that cancels, that's 6. So what is 252 minus 6? Well, 6 from 12 is 6. That's going to be 246. So there's your answer.